Hi you guys, today you're going to be making word clouds. So here is your tutorial. You're going to go to wordart.com and then you're going to click on sign up. You're going to use your Google School account to log in, so sign up using Google. I already have one, so I'm going to use my school Google account. Now it'll probably have you enter some information creating your account. You can make your own name. I did TechDeck1234. So you can do whatever name you want. Just don't do your real first and last name. Now here are all the word arts that I have. I'm going to teach you how to make one. Click on the red create button. And then here's kind of the automatic setup. Where it says word, that's what the actual word is. So I'm going to change word to my name. And then I'm going to do descriptive words underneath that. So I like to go hiking, so I'm going to do my name, hiking. I like to go boating, and if you just keep pressing enter, you'll get to new lines. I like the outdoors, I like cooking, and I like spending time with family and friends. Then to see what it looks like, click the red visualize button. So here's my word cloud so far. I can now edit it to customize it however I want. The second section is shapes. I can choose what shape I want my word cloud to be. The first step is to click on a shape and then click visualize. The next thing we can customize is the font. So it automatically sent me to Simple Slum. I'm going to change mine to Teen and see if I like that better. Okay. The next one is layout. I can choose if I want my words vertical, horizontal, or both, crossing, random, negative slope, positive slope. Okay. You can even choose the amount of words. You can change the density of the words. Go ahead and mess around with that. The style, you can change the color of the words. You can change the background image, and you can even change the background color. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to add a contrasting color, that way they stand out. Now once you have your word cloud how you want it, you are ready to turn it in. So the way you're going to do that is by clicking on the share button right here, and you're going to share the link. Your word art is set to private. Do you want to make it public? And I'm going to say yes so other people can see it. Okay, there's the link. I'm going to click copy to the clipboard. So now it's copied on my computer, and all I have to do is go onto Canvas and paste it in my assignment. You're also going to paste it in the word cloud discussion board so that you can go through and look at your classmates' word clouds and get to know them as well. I hope you guys have had fun with this. I'll be here to help. Remember the proficiency scale, the 1, 2, 3, 4. Make your work a 4. That would include doing something extra and going above and beyond. Okay, have fun.